Born on 29 September 1939 in Ozuitem, Bende, local government area of Abia State, to Chief Ndubuisi and Irabueke Akando. Okechukwu Ndubuisi, popularly known as O Undu, schooled at home and in various other places within and outside Nigeria. It was while attending Savongari Ora Grammar School, where he featured prominently in school choir, that he developed a keen interest in choral work and organ music. The interest blossomed into further exposure at an institute of organ makers, Aba, and led him to become an accomplished performer on a variety of musical instruments, including the clarinet, trombone, and the keyboard. So outstanding was his talent and corresponding hunger for more music that in 1960, after a performance of The King and I, the greatly impressed Premier of the Eastern Nigeria, Dr. Michael Obara, awarded him a scholarship to study music and drama at the Guildhall School of Music and Drama in Great Britain. He obtained the higher diploma with distinction. While in Britain, he also took courses in musical instrument technology from Northern Polytechnic, London. Eager to practice what he had learned, O Undu returned to Nigeria in 1966. During the Nigerian Civil War, he played with the Biafran Forces Entertainment Band. Towards the end of the war, he won the admiration and love of Irene Eyisi, who in 1970 became his wife. The marriage was blessed with 6 children. O Undu joined the services of the University of Nigeria late in 1970 and steadily rose in rank to become the chief technologist in music department in 1983, a position he held until his death. O Undu loved music and so carried out his duty in the Department of Music selflessly, cheerfully, and tirelessly. He advised and directed amateur and student groups such as the Nsukka Jazz Club in 1982. O Undu is famous and widely acknowledged as a singer, voice trainer, composer, author, arranger, dramatist, pianist, musical instrument technologist, producer, and director. He composed and arranged operas, music for piano, chamber music, music for orchestra, music for solo voice and piano, music for mixed voices, his opera, The Symbol of a Miracle, and many of his folk songs have been performed by students and other established musical groups.
What's really important about Okechukwu Ndubuisi is that he wasn't just a composer and arranger of folk songs. He was a super genius at it. He had a composition and arrangement style that we had never seen before. His vocal compositions were allogenic, that is to say, they were word-born. His melody lines follow the inflectional pattern of speech, and that is very important, especially in Igbo text. And his harmony structures were totally amazing.
O Undu's ingenuity in composition was matched by the hypnotic and caressing quality of his performance. He served the University of Nigeria community in several ways. He was the organist of the Christ Church Chapel, UNN, for many years and at one time was the choir master. He was also closely associated with many church choirs and staff groups, including the Pythagorean Music Makers, though for nearly 2 decades after his death, O Undu's mighty genius as a composer was little recognized. Yet, during his lifetime, his unique powers as an organist won for him a great reputation. Our O Undu, said an obituary notice, was the greatest soulful folk player and arranger that ever lived. The following is a list of Ndubuisi's compositions finished before 1994. The letters SATB have their usual musical denotation. Scored a cappella unless indicated otherwise. V denotes undifferentiated voice. P denotes piano.